crazy stuff. How to make it to align to those things that we can do it. And I don't want my photograph.
That's okay.
I don't like
Okay.
it.
No, no.
Okay. So my point is, it's a free environment. I've taken away your laptops. How will you write it? That's the next question comes in. There are so many post-its, right? There are so many pens, hopefully.
Yeah, I have 40.
Right? Think.
Atul, I want to say something. Okay, guys, one thing. Okay, anything you are going to take out of this room is experience, first-hand experience of a design thinking. Okay, Atul has done this with us
So I
last
tortured
year.
these guys already.
It is like an experience actually. Please experience it. Okay, because that is one of the key things that will be learning for you. Like we hear design thinking everywhere. Okay, you do your courses, mandatory courses. You are going to experience Atul run a design thinking workshop with you guys, and it's really very good. Atul, I'm setting a big expectation.
That's what I'm saying. These are very selfish guys.
Don't lick the paper. Let it be run.
Yeah, it's really good.
And I'm
Please,
not following any
follow what
traditional
happens.
method.
Yeah.
Neither it's called the design thinking, nor it is anything. What I'm trying to find out, the thing which is written up behind you. You come in this room and go through this thing, what is in this green area, that I'm going to follow this. Nothing else. Right? In your idea, I'm not in the post-it, you will not have your name. So if you are seeking for the credit, this is the wrong place. Right? You know what is the credit? कि मैंने मेरा idea है.
Mastercard.
Right? So that's not going to work. Everybody's idea, everybody's thought. You can steal the idea of somebody else, feel free. Right? But what you want to do it differently. Right? Why I'm in a t-shirt today on a working day? It is not allowed. What you want to do differently? Is it going to impact your work? This way of the thinking? Right? I always say to everybody, you need to spend 15 minutes with you. Right? The minute I get up, my laptop is on or my cell phone is on. Can you able to sacrifice 15 minutes for yourself? Can you spare? You don't have time.
You can do more.
If you don't have time, I have a question. Why you take the bath? You have taken the bath today? You do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or you have gone for the morning routine? Why you are wasting so much of time there? Not needed.
Health.
So come out of that mode. Whatever the initiative and focus and the presentation, you can read it yourself. Now we want to go in the free format mode.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we need to do is, we have to have the multiple ideas. Whatever you think. If it is crazy idea, fine. Okay. Look into how it is picking. The last time, can you read it for me? My eyesight is weak. We want to change our these chocolates are mine, right?
Everybody's.
No, it's mine.
We want to change the status quo to make some part of IBM better, more efficient, more human. More human.
Are you a machine working everything in a day-and-day basis? That is the only thing I want from you. Whether you call it lean, whether you call it as a business initiative, whether you call the numbers, competition with others, forget all these numbers. I want you to focus on that particular 3 lines. Nothing more than that. How to make your life easy. How to get the time out of your daily routine. He's saying he want to build the culture. What I want, you need a time. How will you build the culture if you don't have the time? So how you can do it more efficiently, the same thing what you are doing it. Right? And have sufficient time. Which movie you have seen recently?
I have seen.
Okay? What was the headline of this morning? How was the traffic?
It was good for me. I came early.
I came early, right? When I came this morning, I got scared. because nobody was there. I said, what happened to my session? And believe me, I have not seen what is the Anwar has put it for this session. I keep asking the Priya. Priya was saying, अरे इसको चाय पिला के लेने जाओ यार मेरा दिमाग खा रहा है. I was saying the topic क्या है? So that is the culture you need to come. You are here without any topic. You are here with a yellow stickies. And why pencil?
So that you get erased. And
Nobody
then
can read it. Other side here. Right. What you want is, if you don't have the pen, I don't want this pencil, I want a pen to write it. Whatever you want. And that what we call it, the thing what I have started with you, if you go back and map it to the design thinking, we started 4 people's persona, what they want. So what they do every day, what they are looking for, what is their expectation, what they expect from you. Now this comes is, do you know what do you do every day, hopefully? Yeah? So how you can make it a different? What are your challenges? And that you are going into your empathy map. If you go, I'm not going in a traditional way, because in 2 hours your design thinking cannot be done. So I'm cutting the couple of lines in between. So what I need is, what is my problem statement today? So can you able to define me the problem statement? So Anwar, what I need is, I need a lot of board pens from somewhere.
Board pen. This one.
Marker.
Yes, marker.
Marker.
Okay? I have only one. I have 2. One here.
Okay.
I want your perspective, what you understood about the problem. The question which I was asking these 4 people, 5 people, what they want. So what is our problem statement here? Any idea? Anybody want to start?
To generate more revenue to share.
Okay. Generate.
More revenue to share.
This is new one.
Any announcement on this?
How many are there?
Two.
That's bad. That's bad.
Okay. This is that. This is going in the dustbin.
Yeah.
Where is the dustbin? Please. Thank you. So, anybody?
Better client experiences.
Better?
Client experiences.
Okay. Better.
So to follow an enhanced process.
Better processes. Yeah. What else?
Place more footprints through ideas.
Yeah. What else?
Change ourselves. Make some path-breaking innovation.
Okay. Fabric and innovation, which I don't understand.
Means that shell itself comes
And
back.
there was one more.
Change ourselves.
Change.
Thought process of change within.
Thought process. Okay.
Change within us.
Communicate the ideas more clearly.
Ideas. more
Communicate the ideas
Communication.
clearly.
I'll add to the previous one, change thought process, how to find time to think.
Say one more time.
How to find time to think.
Okay. I will have time to
Or
think.
how to think.
Yeah. Anything else? I need a duster too. Any other point?
Improve productivity.
Productivity? Yeah.
Value add to the customer, case of
Okay.
process as well as cost benefits.
Let my duster come. You have a chance till that time. Any other thoughts?
Do something different.
Do something different? Yeah? What do you do? These guys disappeared. We should have gone to the next. Okay. So, any other point? How to get more chocolate? Okay, great. You all agree with this? I don't want none of these. Can we start again?
Yes.
So why we are here? What do we want to do? What is our problem statement?
Make life easy.
Whose life? Everybody. You are not responsible for his life. Are you?
Make our life not responsible, selfing, self-life.
Make life easy and earn more.
Okay. So what I want you to do is, now, you can keep passing it to other people. I want you to write, because what is happening is right now is it's becoming a peer pressure. I've got some. Open it up. And you have a choice, you don't need to write only one. One idea, one page. One problem statement, one page. You need pen, pencil. You can have the board pen. If it is working, you can have this also.
So the problem statement is for this session, is it?
Why we are here?
For this particular session.
Yes.
Put it in the cover.
It's difficult, right? No consulting to the next person.
No consulting. This is not exam, so.
Yes, it is an exam. It is an exam because there are some chocolates there. If you are interested.
I think everyone wants.
I know we need more board this thing. The stickies.
Stickies, huh? Very
So,
difficult.
Anand, go to
Anand,
Anand.
okay.
Ashok and Anand, they will get it. Anybody wants to give me for the first one? Look there. So come and paste it. Start writing the second one.
Now people will not write.
Oh, by the way, today is a bad day, my friends. You have to do a lot of exercise. You will not be sitting on the chair. You will be walking up to the board. And by the way, I don't wear the watch, so I don't care about the time. And I have thrown those people out. So we have one idea. Come and put your ideas on the board. And see, anything is related to what you were saying. If you want to write more, you can write more. Okay, I can make a lot of space. board. You are taking too much time writing so much. This is not a, you are doing some invention of rocket. If anything is related to your idea, you can paste it along with it. प्रिया मैम कितना टाइम लगा रहे हो? कुछ भी लिखो, write anything, and then go and find that what are the. Stay there. You are not coming back.
Okay.
I have a task for you all. Okay? Now you have the many of them. Can you categorize into the similar ideas together? Can you put, stick them out? Sorry. So this happened to the backbenchers, right? So you need to ask other people who are still sleeping in the back somewhere.
Everyone's checked. How many people?
No, these two are still sleeping here, and Karthik is also sleeping. Oh, you have already done? Okay. So two people are still, they are delaying the process.
What about the people who went out?
Out of the count. Can we come back after that?
You have to read out. Priya ma'am.
Do we need sketch?
This kind?
No, the other kind.
This kind.
The regular sketch. Sketch pens.
Color.
Do the kids use?
Yes, if you want to write it on that. Now what I want is now, a couple of guys help, saying that categorizing is coming out as a broader theme. So many of the ideas in the one similar kind of thing, only the language is a little bit here, there and everywhere. So if we go back, so and everybody, we can see that. One guy is still not gone there. Yeah? So here what we are saying? We are saying that DevOps, automation, bringing the automation, so these are the two things. So we are focusing on the, so can you write it on that side?
Sure.
The automation. This is automation project planning, automate the project planning, okay. Use the statement for the planning, better planning, auto dependency collection, okay, something to do with an automation here, but DevOps is a different ball game. So this all repetitive one, better of the society, okay, eco-friendly systems. This is a good, because it goes into the EHS space. environment, health, safety. To come up with a new technology, fine, make my life easy, we go in the different dimension. We will spread, okay? New technology, come up with an idea that how to work differently, okay? गंदा गंदा पोस्टेट लाया, right? बार बार गिरता है, मेरे को एक्सरसाइज कराना है।
3M tickets लेना है.
हाँ.
This means.
So, not getting the opportunity, very interesting one. So it is also along with the make my life easy. How to generate the idea? So it comes with the education piece, enablement. So this goes here. Change the way of the working better. So it should be somewhere it was.
Change. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो पूरा change है.
Yeah, पूरा change. Okay.
हाँ.
How to generate the idea goes into the this space. तो बहुत एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हैं पूरे आदमी. Okay. So awareness is a one of the
Awareness. Can we write here on the whiteboard?
Oh yes, yes. Let me take these ideas this side. So you have this.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I always measure with my height. So right. You want to keep it with this then?
Okay.
So change the way of better working. So make my life easy. Okay.
Automation.
This is the start thinking, the generating the ideas, the enablement and those things. Change the thought process. Change the thought process. Yes. This goes here. Change the way you work. Change the way you work. Quality deliverables. Okay. So this goes into another one. This goes into innovative, effective, unique ideas. So it should fall in which category? Guys, I need your help to categorize into the some categories.
Free mind,
We will put into those three, under those three main categories, what you said.
No. You have come up with a multiple, so you need the enablement too. That is also coming out. And these are all falling. Okay. So one clear theme is coming out is called we need to do some automation kind of a generation. We want some ideas to be coming as a automation space. That is the one of the very my problem statement is coming. Because if we do the automation, we can able to make our life relatively. Second, that is the automation of the technology aspect. Second one is coming from the process point of view. Processes are too heavy. Or there's a new way of working. Right? That is my new way of working means the processes to do something with this thing. The problem statement I'm coming to. What else is emerging from here?
education.
on how
Knowledge retention.
The processes mean that it's not too much processes, but to the extent where we can
Yes, we can optimize.
optimize the processes actually. We have a lot of processes.
Correct. So I have used the big term called the process. Right? I can intercept it in the multiple ways. Guys, you agree with this point? These are our three focus areas. Any other focus area which is also there written here is cost saving, new business and all whatever it is. So if we have a better processes, if we automate this thing, it's automatically will coming in the cutting the cost itself. Any other thought process? We are agreement? Now the difficult part. So first fix this part. If we fix this part, we will come to the difficult part. This will all keep falling. Anwar, this thing post-its are not good.
Post-its innovation is that only. Waste should not go really hard.
Making our life or way of working very difficult. Too bad. Or you have another innovative idea. This is the best way to take these post-it to do some exercise. Okay. Any other point you want to focus on? Again, I don't want to land up yourself to the technology space. That I know you will come up with so many ideas. So far, so good. Would you like to add more? Think. Are they better stick here or better?
No, it's got to do with the glue.
Stick it over the next paper. So maybe one sticks, everything else will stick.
then the weight adds.
That is
My fault.
Need to wait all for.
It's okay, you can keep on saying.
So somebody came in. Alright, this is
We
Chairman.
couldn't arrange for the post-it, so we are ready for taking.
Okay, alright. So Dada, what we have done is the team came up with these 3 focus areas. They have to generate the ideas on this thing. So we have come to with our multiple ways to come to the what is the purpose of this particular meeting and what the problem we are going to face it. So this is our problem statement. You all agree? I am a facilitator. This is your stuff, sir.
So we are only focusing on those 3 points,
Starting with 3,
starting with 3.
right?
Yeah.
Anything else will be coming in. That's gone in the while entry. So can you write the while entry? So we have a while entry here too. Where it was.
No, no.
Maybe on the top, Atul, on the top we have
No,
it.
no, no, no.
Education. Education is.
Education, I think that's where this is not
Knowledge.
knowledge retention.
It's not retention actually.
Or knowledge.
This is the one of the biggest one which I found it. You know, getting the opportunity. Right? So I'm keeping it as a while entry somewhere. Because we can say that we don't have an idea because we don't have an opportunity. Right? I always give the counter. No, fine, my friend. My always counter one is, why should I give you the opportunity? So you took it and go. Thank you. Well, we will give you the chance. The second party the chance.
Yeah, yeah.
So they are having a difficult work. You have to survive with the easy work.
Oh.
Okay. So when you say that the opportunity, so I say, why should I give you the opportunity? Okay. What is special in you? ऐसा क्या है?
When the opportunity comes, then you'll be able to perform and then comes.
Are you ready? Sir, can I quote the morning statement? I'm not taking the name. I'm not a deep guy. Okay, I'm not a deep guy. I can do it, but I'm not a deep and expert. Opportunity will say that you are saying no to me. So you should be ready to grab that. ठीक है, थोड़ा uncomfortable लगेगा. Otherwise, how will you take a big leap? जब भी पैया चल रहे हो. Right? Sorry, I keep switching between the 2 languages.
Yeah, that's good.
So, point is, now we understand the problem. What you're doing every day, you need something to do with the automation to help you out with your day-to-day life. You have to do with something with the processes. And you have to do that now, but there is something to do with the knowledge. Now, we are taking from the business point of view. Now, let's talk about the technology point of view. How can we do that? What are the different kind of things? Do you need... Sorry, this is my phone. I have not switched off. These are the insurance companies. They are after my life.
You are growing old.
Yes, they came to know that way. So, point what I'm saying is, now the concept is how we can solve it. How can make it solve? If we want to do that, DevOps could be one automation. Is that the end of the? So DevOps for what? Okay. Yesterday I put it about 4 ideas in the place. 3 of them are coming from the blockchain. Have you heard about the blockchain?
Yes.
But blockchain is a technology. But where to use it? How it is going to help me out with all these different processes? So I have taken the one of the upstream, which is called the hydrocarbon counting. Right? One of the ledgers in your downstream, the ledger in the multi-capital project and all these things that get associated with the SAP. So how you are doing the accounting itself, how you are sharing the ledger. So when you talk about the technology, how you are going to, where are you going to use it? Now the instance will coming into your what you do day-to-day stuff. Do you need analytics?
Yes, we do.
Do you need cognitive? Yeah?
Yes.
Can I ask my favorite question? Explain me the cognitive. I know he's saying that you always talk, I am not giving the chance, I will give you a lot of chance.
It's basically smart thinking.
Intelligence. Collection of intelligence.
That is cognitive. What is the difference between AI?
Artificial.
I'd say it's like machine
Human-like
learning,
thinking.
I mean,
Human-like thinking.
Okay, you are thinking too much IT. Can you give me from the simple English term what is a cognitive?
Understand the surroundings and come up with
If
the
I
idea.
observe, yeah.
Okay, one very simple thing in my way.
Common sense.
Have you heard this term called IPO?
Public offer.
Yes, one of them.
Yes.
This you have learned this thing hardcore. Input, process, output. Yeah? Now the cognitive piece comes is that's called the feedback. Can you explain me what is a input, process, output and feedback? Some of you said the learning, machine learning or anything. Right? So how will you do that? Many of you have gone through the PVC cycle, right? Right? That is also a feedback. Right? Anything which you learn every day, is it not a cognitive? Table of 9 you have gone through with me? Have you learned the table of 9?
Yeah.
My way.
no.
Okay, so tell me how many ways we can do the table of 9. You know what the table of 9
Yeah,
means?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 to 9?
9 to
Sorry, 0 to 9 and back here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, your table is ready. Any other method?
This is the easiest feature.
I will teach you another easy method. Ready? Open your hand. Do some exercise. You are so lazy people. Hey, open it. Haath kholo. Right? Open your hand. Right? From which side you start counting? Left or right? Left. Okay? Anwar is the exception.
Right?
Because the Urdu is comes in all the Arabic languages from the right to left. Okay? So, if I close this particular finger, or you close this particular finger, what is the position? Fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. इतना स्ट्रेस क्यों ले रहे हो यार? सिंपल सवाल है.
So that is easy instead of putting this much stress.
He is so much conditioned. Very simple. Do you know that what it will be the position of this?
3.
Okay. Okay. Now, 9 multiplied by 1 is 0 and 9 in your hand. Can you read? 9 multiplied by 2 is 1 and 8.
1 and 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay? 1 and 8. Yeah? 9 multiplied by 3, 2 and 7. Keep doing. It's a table of 9 in your hand. So what you did? You observe what Atul is teaching and he's saying that is very difficult.
No, I'm saying you are teaching only 9. Teach me 19.
Oh, I will give you the homework how to get it 8 from your fingers. Okay? The point is, what you did, you observed, input gone to your brain, you process, हाँ यार ये कुछ ठीक लग रहा है. Your output got it. Can you able to teach somebody else? Is it not cognitive? But how to bring in the machine, how to bring into your application, how to bring into something. Is that okay? Mobile, lot of things. Again, don't want to constrain you. So far, so good?
Yes.
Now we have a problem. Yeah? Now what are the solutions? What we can do? And that is called the ideation. Now before you go out, I will not let you go out before 1300 hours. Okay? You have the yellow sticks with the bad glue in it. You have to write your ideas. And again, don't limit to yourself to the one idea. And each sheet will have their own ideas. Believe me, half of you will have the same idea what you are, like the categorizing. Same exercise, now we will able to do it. Again, I'm not going with all the input, the cost, benefits, anything, but I need a space to how I can able to solve this. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes.
How much time you want? 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
7 minutes.
And I want at least 20, per person 3 stickies here. Okay? So you have 10 minutes.
So again, we would write the same ideas.
So now you have to
Each
build.
category,
You can have the anything. If you are comfortable with automation, write down the multiple ideas in that. If you want to write down in the multiple ways, areas,
Yeah, but automate what?
okay,
What?
into your focus area. Okay. For an example, okay, which project do you work?
DSL cloud.
DS Cloud. Is there any idea to do some automation there? Is there anything to do with the processes? And or apart from that, whatever you want to do. Same exercise you are going to do. So far so good? Again, you are going in your inside the box. Your own box. Right? What is your project?
Sales first.
What we can do there?
We can automate.
We can do the remote booting of server also. It's an idea, but it's feasible. We will see it later. So forget about that thing. Is there any constraint? Anything we can reboot the server remotely? Can we do some ILC integration with your association with your work packs or the contracts? Or maybe we can, the minute I swap in the morning, my
Record.
on this thing, my LC hours.
Attendance record.
That's more dangerous.
Again,
Everyone has to.
don't put the constraint, whether it's dangerous or not. It's an idea. Right? I will give you one more thing, which my daughter did. Okay? She is also doing in her course. What she did, she created a bot. Okay? Who can do the interview of you and can tell you which kind of person you are and which job is most fit to for you. Again, you will say, is it difficult? Because you are thinking from the implementation point of view. I don't want you to go into that space. कि Salesforce में कैसे करेंगे और C++ में कैसे करेंगे और SAP में कैसे करेंगे. But what we are looking for? What is an idea? Don't go with the implementation. And I will tell you how it was done it was the whole thing she has prepared in the 28 or 30 lines. Most of the time she used the Google API for the voice to text, text to voice, and the Watson called the personality insight, and the sum of the comparative analysis. In which language? Python. I have no clue about Python. But I have gone through the pseudocode. That's it. So I want you to think not from the implementation point of view, but what could be done. Maybe associating the ILC with your machine. Maybe something, I don't know. Yes, it could be a dangerous thing, but it's doable. Or to ILC you have shown your face every day, captured your face expressions. I'm just going with the crazy stuff. Right? IoT space. Now if you go into this thing, how many of you come by the two-wheeler or not three-wheeler, four-wheeler? Right? Why you take that particular thing for the servicing? This is my another favorite example. You take it for servicing? Kahe? Why you are wasting your money?
Warranty.
Keeping condition.
It gets wear and tear.
Wear and tear, right?
Yes.
Or what happens in servicing? They will take away your engine oil, brake oil, gear oil, and replace it with a new one. But my dear friends, does your machine really need that kind of things? Go back to your physics or the chemistry days that call the viscosity of this thing, because the engine is running inside. Yeah? If viscosity is good, you want to change the oil. So you need some input from somewhere which says that the viscosity is good or not. Is it not an IoT solution? Yeah. Think of this. in your phone there are multiple sensors. Do you know there is a sensor called the proximity sensor? In your phone?
Hear it.
The minute you bring your phone here, it's switched off the screen. Can't we build some system for the people who are sight challenged? When they are moving, the space is coming. Most of the other day I like the one car. There was a Honda some model. I don't know. It's not a city, some model. The minute it was parked in the EGL A block in the basement, and the minute I brought the car my car near to it, right, they start blinking.
Did you touch it?
Nobody was inside.
You touched it?
No, I was near, proximity was
Close.
right? So it start blinking. Is there anything we can do it with any idea in the EHS space?
Women's safety.
Environment health safety. So the people who are moving into the near to the hazard area, picking up the magnetic strips from your card itself, from the reader. How it is going to do? I'm not talking. Can raise an alert. Where it is going to fit, I don't know. Which application is going to support, I don't know. It's an idea. This morning when you have not came early, there was too much of noise in this building.
They heard it.
Kai, right? And then they announced that it was a false alarm, right? How we can help there? So any idea is a good idea. So exercise what we are going to do. I will stop speaking now. Right? Now you need to think and write down on the yellow paper whatever the weird idea you have. Yeah? So far so good? Priya ma'am has already given. She is not thinking. And you have a board here. So I will take these things back to this. And this exercise, you will do it. You can do it on your desk also while doing. Not today, maybe tomorrow. The best thing what I do. How many of you going through the W3? How many of you actually access the IBM machine? Let me start from there. Right? Look in the W3. There are so many use cases available. Now, those use cases are relevant for Shell. That is your skill is coming. Pick the use cases from there. And I have stolen 2. Out of my 4 ideas, I have stolen 2. So, try to think here. Try to think some ideas. We can further refine it. You need more yellow papers? You have. No, thank you. Steal it from nearby. While you are writing, I am going for bringing my water. You all need your chai is coming, right? Chai. So no, he will. He's a good guy. So let me go and bring my bottle. Water. All right. See? Anwar.
Nice.
Hopefully.
Wow. And that's my hope.
Something important today. Right, 3 pages here. Right, 3 pages. One only having all the Anna, the camera still working. I need to check.
Let it be on. Let it be on. Well, the moment he comes, I can't see it. He said, no, I don't want it.
You can check that.
Yeah, later I will edit it. Let it go. 45, 90, 45 minutes already.
So you got idea?
आज के लिए हो गए पहले नींद से उठना है
We lost some people? Okay, I want a 2 minutes break on your thinking process, and I want to show you something. Hopefully, this guy should be happy with me. Can I take this, sir? What I'm going to show you is that the way how I steal the ideas or get the ideas from others and generate it for myself. So hopefully it should come.
Is there any integrity issue there?
No, not integrity issues. Only thing is idea is applicable to my scenario. I can pick it to
You are
modify it.
using the best practice.
Exactly. So this is what I'm going to show you. hopefully. Comes with the oil and gas industry solution mix, and they have the blockchain. You hopefully you all understand the blockchain. You want to sit here? You can. Okay. So you understand the blockchain? Okay. Now in that scenario, they said that what is a blockchain? Quickly, that is the system of the records, and it's a shared ledger with having the authentication, authorization. Your ledger entry will be seen by you only. Right? This is the kind of thing, and they say, can it be used here? So capital projects. Right? Who could be, what kind of the use case it is? Errors. This is what happened is in the little theory. What is the information will be shared? Who will the party environment will be shared? Is it applicable to in your space? Maybe, maybe not. So this is not a good use case for me. But it might possible that might be a good use case in the upstream space. How about the financial and downstream product exchange? That's your space, sir. Yeah? Similarly, more use cases. Which one is relevant? 3. Another one. So if you look into there are 20 use cases there. Is any of them are relevant for you? In your particular scenario. What I'm saying is, your own ideas, looking in the other accounts, those ideas, multiple use cases you can able to generate. But what you need to understand is, there are use cases, whether they are relevant for in your scenario or not. That intelligence is, that much intelligence is needed.
Can that be automated?
Sorry?
Can that be automated?
Yeah, then I don't need you. Then your job is on a stake. Right? So this is the source from where I got it, from W3. So you will be able to understand from where, if you can't generate your own ideas, steal it and modify it. वरना पकड़े जाओगे. Many of the places, do you really think the RFP responses which we created is every time we are creating it from the fresh? 70 to 80% is the reuse. And same thing I'm going to explain here is, there are n number of use cases. This is one. I will show you the another one. This is, I got it from the blockchain. So I just want to give you the what is more needed. So this is blockchain, and there was another one which says, where it is gone. So anyway, I will not able to find. It's analytics, predictive analytics. Whether it is needed, it is useful in your account. So there are thousands of use cases available for you. Only the intelligence what you need is, there is a saying in Lucknow, right? A little Hindi, all you need to understand. नकल के लिए थोड़ी अक्कल की जरूरत चाहिए होगी. Only that much akal I need from you all. So far so good?
Yes.
Okay, so you still have the board. Now if you want to use your machines, you can use the machine to steal some ideas from somewhere else. That just I want to show you this.
So just a question. Yes, Shell is into so many diverse things, right? So has someone not pushed into blockchain?
Yes, we are already running a POC. Right? We are also running a called the cognitive assist. And we are also running the cognitive for the crude flex. Right? Now crude flex is only one area. I can use it in so the another idea which I put it here is called the exploration. that what you need to do is in the exploration, you need to find out the three-dimensional and the pockets of the different oil segments in the gas. Right? Many people anticipate. So the way I did the first exercise, what is your problem statement? You see that how many diversified understanding came in. Similarly, the analyzing the three-dimensional topographic images, everybody having everything here. Right? So the way you analyze, the way I analyze, it might be totally different. Second thing, in the oil and gas industry, either the people are very young or they are very old. So how to retain the knowledge? How to fill the middle gap? So doing that, what solution we can bring? I become a little more crazy and saying that we can tap the old people's brain waves. And it's in a signals and system.
Documentation?
Yes, it will start converting. So there are the multiple projects are running in the industry that how to convert the thoughts into the document. Is it feasible? That we will see later. Right? But that's a thought.
Without knowing it also, that's my saying. Something related to that is what I do.
So crazy stuff. So do we need a LiDAR technology? You heard about the LiDAR? No? Now let me give you the context. Uber and Google is fighting on it. It's basically a laser. So what happens is you have a proximity sensor. It is an RFID tags. It will be having this thing. If you have an obstacle, then you can. So sometimes it's not give you the accurate measurement. How far is it? So LiDAR is opening is 32 channels of the laser, the beams to identify where is an object. Object means the nearby. This is called the localization. Do we need it? Maybe. How about the having another thought, another crazy stuff? Okay, solution is in the market. So you have all the oil riches, right? Do you have a CAD drawing of it? If not, how will you get it? So there are the multiple ways. It's called the three-dimensional computer visioning. They capture the images and they build into the CAD drawings of all the things. Again, be crazy, my friends, for the crazy ideas. But I don't want to be too crazy. Remain in your box. Okay? So back to your suggestion. Slips. Think more. Expand your brain. So these are your three. Okay? Alright, I take it. Write three more. Somewhere I have to keep it. So you are collecting? Or no, you are still writing? No, right. You should also participate.